Make your bones strong as iron with coriander seeds, the best solution to osteoporosis in women. Hello, my beloved natural cure enthusiasts. Did you know that after the age of 50, 1 in 3 women faces the risk of osteoporosis? But don't worry, because there are natural and effective ways to keep your bones strong. Today, I will talk about a miraculous seed that supports bone health, coriander seeds. Moreover, at the end of the video, I will share a very special recipe explaining how you can use this powerful seed. Watch the video until the end because we will explain everything you need to do to prevent osteoporosis with very important tips. If you are ready, let's begin. Why are coriander seeds so important? This medicinal seed, used for thousands of years, is very rich in calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants that support bone health. Additionally, it helps the body use calcium more effectively and protects your bones by reducing inflammation. In short, coriander seed is a treasure that must be in your kitchen. Now let's see how to use it most effectively. Nutritional value of coriander seeds. Coriander seed, Coriandrum sativum, is a medicinal plant used both as a spice and for its many health benefits. The minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants it contains provide support for many areas, from bone health to the digestive system. It contains vitamins C, A, and K, along with plenty of calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, and phosphorus. How can you use coriander seeds for bone health? Coriander seed is a spice that is both beneficial for health and highly versatile in the kitchen. You can drink it as tea, use it as a spice in meals, extract its oil, or prepare special remedies. The most beneficial way to use it for bone health is in 2 forms. One is as tea and the other is with a special mixture that we'll explain later in this video. First, let's look at the tea recipe. Coriander seed tea recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 cup hot water, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, a few drops of lemon, optional. Preparation: lightly crush the coriander seeds to release their aroma. Add them to boiling water and let them steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink. If you want to sweeten it, you can add honey or lemon. You can drink this tea once a day, either on an empty stomach in the morning or after meals to aid digestion. Before moving on to the next recipe, if you find this information useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. We want to see you in the comments. Now we can move on to our next recipe. Coriander seed and turmeric mix, special recipe for strong bones. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 cup hot water, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon turmeric. Preparation: lightly crush the coriander seeds in a mortar. Pour hot water over them and let them steep for 10 minutes. Add honey and turmeric, mix and turn it into a paste. You can consume this mixture 1 teaspoon per day, especially in the morning or before bed. Together with turmeric, it creates a very effective blend that also prevents inflammation in the body. What else is coriander seed good for besides osteoporosis? Coriander seed contains powerful antioxidants such as quercetin, terpineol, and tocopherol. These compounds protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, delaying aging and helping to prevent chronic diseases. Due to its anti-inflammatory compounds, it can provide relief in inflammatory conditions such as joint pain and rheumatic diseases. coriander seed can lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. It also helps regulate blood pressure, providing protection against hypertension. Coriander seed soothes the stomach, aids digestion, and prevents bloating. It is particularly beneficial for those suffering from indigestion, heartburn, and gas problems. Some studies suggest that coriander seeds can increase insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. It may be a potentially beneficial spice for diabetics. Now get ready, we have reached an important part of our video. If you have joint pain and rheumatism, we will explain how to massage with this magical seed for relief. Coriander seed oil massage for joint pain and rheumatism. Ingredients: 5 to 6 drops of coriander seed oil, 1 tablespoon carrier oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. Optional: 3 to 4 drops of lavender oil or eucalyptus oil for a relaxing and pain-relieving effect. How to prepare the oil? Coriander seed oil should not be applied directly to the skin as it is very concentrated. Mix 5 to 6 drops of coriander oil into 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Why do we use carrier oil? Coriander oil can cause irritation if applied directly to the skin. Olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil facilitate absorption and provide extra moisture to the joints. How to apply it to the skin? After cleaning and drying the painful joint area, take some prepared coriander oil in your palm. Rub it between your hands to warm it slightly. Gently apply it to the painful joint using circular motions. Massage with light pressure for 5 to 10 minutes to increase blood circulation. You can place a warm towel or a hot water bottle afterward to enhance the effect. This helps relax the muscles and allows the oil to be absorbed better. Repeating this process once or twice a day, especially before bedtime, provides greater relief. Now you know how coriander seeds can improve your bone health and relieve joint pain. Now it is your turn. How will you incorporate this miraculous seed into your life? As a tea, a remedy, or a massage oil? Share with us in the comments. We'd love to hear your experiences. If you found this video helpful, you might also find this one interesting. Have a healthy day.